Today I'll show you everything you need to know about Luma AI in 2025, from text to image, text to video, and image to video. One of its best features is that you can control the camera movements like dolly zoom, orbit right, handheld, and many more. Their newest update is called Reframe, which lets you change the frame size of your video. Let's get started. Hello everyone! It's me again, Mr. Cornell, your AI assistant. This is the main dashboard of Luma AI. Here you can see all the projects you've created. Let's start by creating a new project by clicking the plus icon. In the middle, you'll see a few example prompts that you can use. But before we generate anything, let's first check all the settings. Here you'll see 4 types of actions you can use to generate content: describe, keyframe, reference, and modify. We'll use all of them, but let's start with describe, where we use a text prompt to generate an image or a video. Let's try generating an image first. Choose your frame size. The resolution is limited to 1080p, and the only available model is Photon. Now describe the image you want to generate, then hit enter. Here's the result. And here are some more examples. If you click on your generated content, you will see more settings at the bottom, which we will use later. At the top right, you will see more buttons, like the heart icon, which is really helpful if you generate multiple pieces of content. For example, one of my project boards has 170 generated items, and I can easily find my top 16 favorites in the top right corner of the project board. You can also share your creation with your friends. Here you will also see the download button and the delete button. Now let's try generating a video. This option gives you more settings. You can choose how many videos you want to generate, how many seconds each video should be, and the resolution, either 720p or 1080p. Finally, you can choose the model. Ray 2 is Luma AI's best model. It has a strong understanding of text instructions, produces natural motion, realistic lighting, and physically accurate interactions between objects or characters. Ray 2 Flash is a faster and cheaper version. It's ideal if you need to finish your project quickly. At the bottom of the model selection, you'll see an estimated time for how long the generation will take. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. Now let's write our prompt. If you're having trouble, click suggestions and choose from different prompt ideas. Let's pick close-up, high angle, anime, and dramatic, then add a bit more detail to the prompt and hit enter. Here's the result. If you don't like the generated videos, you can click Show More to generate a new batch using the same settings and prompt. Next is Brainstorm, where the AI will give you a few suggestions based on your prompt. Then there's Reply, which we will use later. You can also click Reuse Message if you want to add more prompts, copy your text, or delete your message. For now, let's click Show More. Here's the result. Now let's use Reply. Then write your prompt to update something in your idea. Here's the result. Click the camera icon to see more types of camera movements. Let's choose Bolt Cam. Write your prompt and hit enter. Here's the result. And here are a few more examples. Now let's try loop. Write your prompt, then hit enter. Here's the result. Here's another example of a loop. This is a great technique if you want a looping video background for your project. Now let's use Keyframe. The settings we'll use are the same. You can now upload your own image as the base image. Let's try using only one frame first. Insert your photo, write your prompt for the best result, then press enter. Here's the result. Now let's use both the start and end frames. I'll use these 2 photos of an egg. Insert your photos in the correct order. Write your prompt, then press enter. Here's the result. And here are a few more examples. Now let's use reference. This is used to keep a consistent character and style. You can upload your own image or use one of the images we generated earlier. Just click the image, then click reference. You can also add multiple images as references. Now write your prompt and don't forget to add a label indicating what you want to use as a reference, whether it's a character or a style. After that, hit enter. Here's the result. Now let's try using style as our reference. Here's the result. We can also use both character and style as references at the same time. Here's the result. Now let's use modify. Again, you can upload your own image or use one of the images we generated earlier. Click the image, then click modify and write the prompt for how you want to modify the image. After that, hit enter. Here's the result. Now let's use Reframe, the new feature of Luma AI. Click the editor icon on the left side of your screen. Here you can upload any existing image or video you want to reframe, upscale, or add audio to. Let's reframe this image. Click Reframe, choose your desired new size, write your prompt, then hit enter. Here's the result. Let's reframe this video. Write your prompt. Don't forget to choose your model, then hit enter. Here's the result. Now let's try to add audio to it. Click audio, then you can optionally describe the kind of audio you want or what you don't want. Here's the result. Here's another example. Finally, we can upscale this video to 4K resolution. Here's the result. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.